Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Right now, market is standing at 1.0757. This is the current market price and today is Friday. So my dear friends, we have been going very well so far. We were expecting the market to bounce from this particular level here, and as per our expectation, market did bounce. Okay, so we have been going so well so far. Okay, but right now we can see that market is standing at the resistance here. Actually, this is not a resistance here, because if we try to follow the pattern here, then we can see that right now the present trend of the market is towards the upside. Market is constantly forming higher highs in the market, breaking the previous highs and going up. So this is a clear indication of the dominance of buyers in the market right now. So if the same pattern continues, then obviously after making a new high, which market has already made, okay, market will be coming down again. So if you take a buy position here, then obviously you will be taking a you will be entering into the market at overpriced level. Okay, so this is not the ideal position at all. But if you already have an ongoing buy position in the market, then you can be on that trade, because hopefully you are already in good profit right now. But if you're looking for a fresh entry, fresh buy position, then this is not the ideal position, because market is constantly forming higher highs. Okay, and after market is coming down as well, because when the market is coming down, your heart will start beating fast, and obviously that will not be a good thing. So please do not take any buy position, and if you're considering that you should take a sell position, then that's also not a good idea, because market has only one rule, my dear friend, and the rule is follow the trend. And if you take a sell position here, considering the market will be going down for correction, then that will be a huge risk. If you have the considerable experience in the market, if you know how to handle the market very well, then that's a different chapter. Otherwise, if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously you should respect the trend of the market and try to follow the trend of the market mostly. Okay, so right now I think that we should not do anything. Okay, and when the market will be coming down, or if we find a market at the retracement levels, then we can go for a buy. And the first retracement level that we can consider is 1.0667. this level. Why this level is we can consider this as a retracement level, because I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement level here. What Fibonacci? I'm not a Fibonacci levels, and I can see that we have 23.6% around this level. So if market, okay, listen to me carefully, if market reverses from the current market position, if market reverses from here only, then we can expect the market to bounce from here. But in case market starts going up from here, then you need to draw the Fibonacci levels by yourself. How you can do it? It's very simple. In an uptrend market, you just need to draw the Fibonacci from the lowest point of the chart to the highest point of the chart. For example, let's say market reaches this particular level here. Okay, market reaches 1.0850. Let's say market reaches this level, then you need to draw the Fibonacci from here till here. Okay, and then you will get the retracement levels. Let's see, if market reverses from this level here, then your retracement level or the first support for the market will be here, then here. Okay, so Fibonacci has been working very well with the Euro USD chart, because constantly we can see every day that they are doing very well. So I'll suggest you that, see, if market reverses from the current market price, then you can expect that this can be 1.0667, 6660 can be your next support level, where you can expect the market to bounce. But in case market goes up, then as the day passes, because see, I'll be gone. Okay, so it will be your duty to draw the Fibonacci and find out the levels yourself. But anyways, I'll say again that right now you should not be taking any buy position, because see, market will be coming down for correction again if market follows the pattern. Okay, so it will not be a good decision. But already if you have a buy position, you can be on the trade, because the market looks rock solid. Okay, market looks good, typical uptrend market, bullish market. Okay, so buy at dip is the best strategy. Buy at dip. Okay, so this, as of now, if this is the high of the market, then this is the dip here. Okay, let's wait and watch. Anyway, today is Friday. No need to take much more risk, because already the week has been going very well so far. Okay, no need to take an regret during the weekend. Okay, enjoy the profit, enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.